Hello guys, and welcome to iOS Soapbox with Thiago. So today we are going to create UITableView and populate that with NS array content. Okay, so it's a simple example. I just want to show you guys how to do it. UITableView tutorial. So first of all, we are going to our main storyboard and add a table view. Once we added that, we are going to our view controller .h and put our table view there as ID outlet, and it will call table view object. Okay, now we are going to add in our interface of view controller, we are going to add what we need from UITableView, that is UITableView datasource and UITableView delegate. UITableView delegate. Okay. Then we need to close and open the brackets. And now we are going to declare our NS array that we are going to use in our code. That we'll call data array. Cool. We are all set with our view controller.h, and now we are going to view controller.m. But first, I'm going to get two methods that I will need into our view controller.m. That basically, one is the number of rows in the section, and the other one will be the responsible for getting and populating the information into the NS array. That is the cell for row at index path. So let's jump to the definition, and we have here both of them. So we have here the rows of in section and the one that I mentioned that I need. So let's go to the view controller.m. I don't need this anymore. 2 times. I just need one. Cool. And let me put them here. I usually like to put before the memory warning, because the memory warning usually I take as a section that I will need to do something there. So let's leave this error here first, because we need to return something to this method. So I'm just going to write first what we will need for number of rows in the section. Okay, so that will make us more clear when we are going to be writing them. So here I'm just going to put a return of our data array. And the count of that, because it's a number of rows that we need there. Okay. So now I'm going to the cell for rows at an index path, and this one I need to put brackets as well. Cool. So here I'm going to write I'm going to create a cell ID first, static, and a string cell ID equals to not cell. Let's say cell. Okay. Then I cannot forget when the view did load, I need to declare the array content. So let's declare the array content first and then move forward. This array, of course, and will be allocated this array on this variable location. Then we will init that with an object, some objects, init with objects, init with objects here, and then we are going to populate the objects as something like, let's say, names, James, and then go. Let's put more data here. It's only James, just to make sure we have more content here. John. Of course, we cannot forget Thiago. Missing a comma here. Okay. So returning back to our cell for rows and index path, we are going now to declare our UITableView cell. That's a cell now. And it will call as a cell. And we are going to populate with the cell ID. TableView query reusable with identifier, and the identifier will be cell ID. Cool. Now we are going to put a condition on this cell if it's new. Okay, and then cell if it's new, cell UI TableView cell allocated and put native style. And the style will be UI table style subtitle, and will be on cell ID. Excuse me. Okay. Then now we are going to put cell dot text label, because we need to put the content into the table view. Dot text, that's the value of the information that is going to be displayed, equals data array object index, and will be index path dot row. Okay, now we are going to fix the issue that is coming, that is a return expression, and then we will put what we are going to return, cell. Missing an equal here. Okay, we are good. What we are just missing to finish our code is that we need to tell our view controller, our storyboard, that we are talking about itself. So we are needing to tell that what object we are using, that is basically the name of the object is TableView object, and we are using this object on itself, on the view controller that we are coding here. So basically we just need to say self dot, the name of that is UI, forgot the name, sorry, The name is TableView object. Self TableView object dot data source equals self, and self TableView object dot delegate equals self. So now we are good. We just need to run and see how it works, our soapbox. So as you can see here, we just did populate our UI table view with the content of our NS array that you can see here. So thank you for having me, and I hope it helped you on the explanations. And please join and subscribe for more iOS development explanations that I'm going to provide you guys next month from these tutorials. Thank you. Have a good day.